Hello, cheap users out there. This is X11. I created a little test plan. I put 3 pendant lights there, put a gable roof over, took the ceiling out. Okay. In the camera, I put in 3 pendants, and I was intending to look into this complaint that these lights are not hanging down at the right angle. Let's look at it at a side elevation. And they're hanging straight down. Maybe I just got lucky, but in vector view, these light fixtures look correct. But in standard and also physically based rendering, let's go over to physically based. Go over to physically based. We don't need to mess with the number of lights, that's fine. Looks a little bit better with physically based. Let's alter that a little bit. It's going to go to rendering techniques, and then this one for physically based. Improve the lighting quality. You guys probably already know this. That's fine. I'm going to crank the light up to about 6. It gets a little bit better. But what I found to be most effective, whether you're doing ray traces or physically based or standard, is this right here, the material of the glass. Let me open this object, the symbol here. We'll go to the materials tab, and the glass, the glass pendant, it's got glass standard on it. Well, that's not very ideal for, it's fine for windows, but it's not very good for light fixtures. So what I do is I'm going to go to the paint can. We're going to go over here to core materials, lighting, and under lighting there's white for lights, and I want lighting white. See, that looks like there's a light bulb glowing underneath that. So I'm going to use the paint can, put it in component mode, and just hit the glass of these light fixtures. Not the light bulb, but the glass. I think that looks a lot better. And this is adjustable. You can use this tool here to tone it up or tone it down. We go over here to properties, and yeah, see the emissive is way up here, and this can be lowered. But let's see, it's 25,000, and I'm altering the material, so it will globally change the way those look. And it doesn't change a lot, but it changes some. And it gives you some control over the way those look. Let's take it down some more, down to just 25. See, now that you can see the bulbs through there, I think it's a little bit too much. I just don't want to see the bulbs because in real life you don't see the bulbs. At least I don't. Go over to properties again. Crank it back up to 250. But it was way up there before, which was unrealistic looking, in my opinion. And I'm sorry, my fixtures just came in. Let's try that with some different fixtures, excuse me. We'll go over to the library browser. Where'd it go? There it is. Wake up. There you go. And I was looking at pendants. I'm going to grab these other, I like this kind of pendant. I use it a lot in my kitchen remodel. Just going to put 3 more of those in and line them up using the centering tool. There we go. I just want to see if they're hanging straight down or not. And we'll close the library browser. And let's scroll up. Looks like they're hanging perfectly. So when I saw your posts on Facebook about them not hanging down, I've seen that before, and it's been so long I forgot how I took care of it. So I thought I'd look at a new unit of time, but I thought I would share this little trick that I found to make things a little more realistic looking. You see, these came in with glass standard on them, and I just copied the lighting white glass color to these, and I think they already look better. You can also change the metal appearance. The only thing I'm not totally happy with about current situation is look at it in the elevation camera. These are not realistically parsing themselves relative to the angle of the ceiling. And I don't think there's any easy way to, like these controls here, you can rotate, but it rotates the whole thing. And it would, make it goofy looking. So this is a bit of a bug that they haven't addressed yet. So these should be flat against the angle of the vaulted ceiling and not perpendicular, horizontal to the floor. Okay, that's all I got. I try to keep these short, and this particular one I thought I would share just because I think this helps with the renders. Thank you.